UMengameli Ramaphosa uqale ngokuvuma ukuthi uhulumeni wawungakulindele ukuqubuka kwezibhelu ezaqubuka KwaZulu-Natal naseGauteng ngoNtulikazi wanyakenye. Uphinde wathi kucacile ukuthi lezibhelu zayihlelwe ngenhloso yokuphazamisa ukusebenza komnotho wezwe.
This country experience was not a popular uprising of the poor, as the peddlers of misinformation sought to characterize it at the time. It was not the building over of discontent, or bubbling over of discontent rather, over an allegedly legitimate political grievance. It was an attempted insurrection. That economic infrastructure was targeted in the manner that it was, shows clearly that the intention was to bring our economy to its knees.
UMengameli uvumile ukuthi ideshi zamaphoyisa ayinazo izinsiza zokusebenza kanye nesibalo samaphoyisa esanele kanye nokuthi uphiko lwezobunhloli lalingakahlinzekwa ngesikhwama salo ngesikhathi kuqubuka lezibhelu. Uthe uhulumeni uzoyixazulula maduze lenkinga.
What we have done and used to that in the State of the Nation address is that we are going to further capacitate the police and give them further funding so that they are able to address these resource shortcomings. Because the security of the people of South Africa should really be uppermost in our minds. So more and more we are going to be able to deploy more and more resources, and that is why the resource area we're going to now train. And the first horde of people to be trained is going in today. The 12,000 and moving on.
Ebuzwa ngokubulawa kwabantu ePhoenix, uMengameli uthe uhulumeni akafuna ukuphinde ebona okwenzeka kuleya ndawo, ikakhulukazi njengoba iningizimu Afrika inomlando wobuhlanga.
What we can say as a government is that we regret very much what happened there and have to condemn what was fueled by racial tensions. We never want to see race beginning to play a role in any protest, in any community activity at all.
UMengameli uthe akakazi awubone umbiko wezobunhloli owawuxwayisa ngokuqubuka kwalezibhelu. Owabe ngungqongqoshe wezokuphepha kombuso uNdlovu watshela lesigcawu ukuthi umnyango wakhe wahlinzeka amaphoyisa kanye noMengameli ngemibiko.
I am yet to see such a report that says this is what we knew, how it was going to unfold. I have not seen such a report myself, because it would have had to say, these are the planners, this is what they intend to hit, they will move from this mall to the next mall, and all that. Now, that was not forthcoming.
Lesigcawu siyaqhubeka.